Mail time. Mail time. Mail time.
Here's the mail, it never fails. It makes me want to wag my tail. When it comes, I want to wail.
What's going on, guys? Power Nurse here. Tonight we have a special package from the one, the only Fireworks for Life to Power Nurse. This is one of the giveaways he did. Can't wait to open it up. Let's check it out. Alright guys, here it is, the giveaway. I won this awesome shirt from Fireworks for Life. Make sure you go check out his channel. He's got some awesome stuff. He does awesome walkthroughs of stores, does fireworks reviews and everything. Alright guys, talk to you later. Have a good one.